liquid. Let's pretend this all never happened. You can't see it, but we've got like swirlies in our eyes. Okay, costume number! There are aspects of that I wish never happened more than others. So that was costume number 20. Sometimes things don't go as planned.
Spike, take a note. Dear Princess Celestia, this was supposed to be the most magical weekend ever, but it was almost a disaster.
My apple stand was a complete failure. Every pony wanted to try my free samples, but no pony wanted to actually buy a tasty apple drink.
I met some seagulls, but they just flew away. And then there were wolves, but they weren't too affectionate. No piñata, no punch, no pony to party with Pinky. There was no cake! The super awesome new trick I came up with to impress the Wonderbolts was wasted on some wannabes who came dressed up like the Wonderbolts. There was a 6-hour line to meet the real Wonderbolts.
Right as I was about to introduce myself to the pony of my dreams, the very handsome and successful Robert Pony Jr., mind you, who waved of screaming bad ponies trampled me and almost ruined my dress.
I waited in line forever to get my favorite author to sign my copy of A Harrowing History of Magical Mishaps. But by the time I reached the front, he had already left for the day. I bought a pre-signed copy, but I really wanted to ask him about his research methodology.
But I was here with my bestest best friends. And with a group of ponies this cool. But my pony friends and I turned things around.
And had a lot of fun spending time together.
Wait a minute. I didn't realize you went to the Grand Galloping Gala again.
And wear this dress 2 years in a row? Why, that would be the absolute worst thing ever!
Tell me about it.
Silly Spike. We didn't go to the Grand Galloping Gala.
We went to Comic-Con!
I should have known there'd be horsing around. That was worn, designed, and made by Lily Demons, James McCloskey, Leah Rosenbaum, DJ Drilling, Rebecca Graham, Erica Julian, Jenny Scheibert, Lee Shackleford. Right around the